In the ancient land of Egypt, there once reigned a remarkable queen named Amara. With her regal grace and keen intellect, she captivated the hearts of her people. Amara possessed an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and an unwavering commitment to her kingdom. From a young age, Amara displayed remarkable intelligence and charisma. As she ascended to the throne, she dedicated herself to the welfare of her people. With her guidance, Egypt prospered, and the arts and sciences flourished under her rule. Amara's thirst for knowledge extended beyond her kingdom's borders. She sought the wisdom of scholars, philosophers, and poets from different lands, inviting them to her court to exchange ideas and broaden her horizons. Her palace became a haven of learning and cultural exchange. Amara was not only a wise ruler but also a compassionate queen. She listened to the concerns of her people and implemented policies to uplift the lives of the less fortunate. Her subjects adored her for her benevolence and sense of justice. Despite her many accomplishments, Amara faced challenges and adversaries throughout her reign. But with her unwavering determination and strategic acumen, through her reign, Queen Amara left an indelible mark on the sands of time. Her enlightened rule and unyielding pursuit of knowledge shaped Egypt's history and inspired